Good morning, YouTube people, family, friends. Yes, it's Saturday morning. I'm having my bulletproof coffee, and I'm going to walk you out to the back and show you what a mess it is out there today. All right, hold on. Look at that. It's so nasty out here today that the cows aren't even out. So, anyway, I just thought I would do a quick Saturday morning video with y'all. And it's been a really pleasant sleep. I had a really good night's sleep last night. And it's about, 7 a.m. And the weather doesn't look like it's going to get any better for the rest of the weekend. So it is a cleaning weekend for me, I believe. Now I am decorating my house, and when that is completed, I will do a little tour of my decorations. And other places that I have lived in the past few years, we have not decorated because it was just too small, just not big enough for decorations. And my housemate has a lot of decorations, so we couldn't use even part of them. So we're using her decorations. I bought some stuff, and this place is big enough to decorate pretty nicely. I'm not doing anything outside because I'm not going to get on a ladder and put lights up. And we are trying those lights that you project onto your house, and it says it covers 3,000 square feet, but we can't seem to get it to cover that much. So anyway, we're doing the best we can with our shaped heads. So yeah, so it's a great day, even though it's pretty miserable looking outside. You know, if you have a happy heart, then things are good. So yeah, 45 subscribers. Yay! Thank you everybody for subscribing and watching these videos. That's awesome. And Patrick did his keto challenge, Grandma DC. I hope you watched it and you figured out who Patrick is. And yeah, so I'm going to cut this short now and go in where it's warm, because it's about 63 degrees out here, but with the rain and the wind, it's really in the 50s. And so I'm going to say, have a great Saturday morning. Don't forget the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and comment, and don't forget to share it, okay? Listen to those chimes, huh? All right, so have a wonderful Saturday wherever you are, whatever you may be doing, and stay in the Christmas spirit. Be kind to each other, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you all. Bye-bye.